Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends in Free Fire Max. To add friends in Free Fire Max, first of all, launch the Free Fire Max open on your device. Once you're in the home screen, go ahead and tap on the little Friends tab at the top right, which looks like two human icons. Now, this will open up this Game Friends tab. If you want to add in-game friends, tap on the Add Friend button, and then from the list of people you may know, select the person you want to add as your friend or send a friend request to, and tap on the little human icon with a little plus in it on the right corner of the contact. After you do that, you will be able to send friend requests to the person. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to add them on your friend list. You can also use the search bar at the top right and enter the name of your friend, and once they appear in the search result, tap the human icon with a little plus in it right next to their name in order to add them as your friend. After accepting the friend request by your friend, you will then be able to see them inside your friend list, and that's how you easily add friends on Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Free Fire Max tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye till then.